Hello, good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to start our first chapter, that is food and human health. Now, let's start with food. What do you mean by food? In simple meaning, simple words में हम समझे food means खाना जो हम खाते हैं, okay? Food is any edible material that supports growth, repair, and maintenance of the body. Any edible substance that we consume and fulfill our all the requirement of the nutrients which we need are known as food. Okay, वो सारे nutrients like जिसमें carbohydrates होगा, minerals, fats, vitamins, ऐसे सारे eatable substance जिसके अंदर ये सारे तरह के nutrients present होते हैं और वो हम eat करते हैं and they help us for our growth, repair, development and maintenance of the body. Then these all are known as food. All the nutrients needed by the body are available through fruits. So food is essential for the proper growth and development of the body. Next is, what do you mean by nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which body utilizes food for growth, development, maintenance and for our healthy living. It is also the science of food and its relationship to health and concerned with the part played by the factors in body growth, developments, and the maintenance. So, nutrition, in simple words, nutrition means the process by which the food we consume utilized by our body and the body use that food for the growth and maintenance and the development of our healthy living means, so that is nutrition. What are the objectives or the functions of the nutrition? Nutrition promote the physical and mental growth and development of all the human beings. It helps to repair the damaged tissue which are damaged by any infection or any injury. It provides us energy for our daily works like for walking, for for dancing and all other works. It protects the human beings from infections and deficiency disorders. So these all are the functions of nutrition. The classification of the food. The foods are classified on the basis of their origins or on the basis of their chemicals. On the basis of the origins, foods are divided into two parts. First is foods are originated from plants, and second one, foods that are originated from animals. Plants means all the vegetables, fruits, cereals and all. Animal food means all the meat, butter, milk, etc. And on the basis of the chemicals, foods are classified as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, this is the classification of the food on the basis of their origin and the chemicals. What do you mean by nutrients? Nutrients are the organic or inorganic compounds which are present in the food which are taken by the living organisms, and they provide us energy and helps the body to work functionally or to work normally or for the normal development and the repairment of the tissue. मीन्स वो सारे केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस और वो सारे ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स जो कि हमारे फूड में प्रेजेंट होते हैं और जो हमको हमारी बॉडी को प्रॉपर ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करते हैं, उनको हम न्यूट्रिएंट्स कहते हैं. और ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस होता है न्यूट्रिएंट्स को टेकन इन करना और फिर न्यूट्रिएंट्स का बॉडी द्वारा यूज़ होना, दिस प्रोसेस इज नॉन एज न्यूट्रिशन. द nutrients are the compounds and nutrition is the process. There are 50 different nutrients supplied by foods to our body. Each nutrient has its own specific function. Like there are 7 important nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. Carbohydrate gives us energy to do work. Minerals help us to maintain our body balance. This is a calcium. Calcium is a mineral which helps to strong our bones. So each nutrient has our own specific function. Most of the food contains more than one nutrients. Like अगर हम चावल देखें, राइस देखें, तो राइस में फैट भी होता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी होते हैं. So most of the foods contains more than one nutrients. On the basis of the nutrients, the requirement, they are divided into two parts. First is macronutrients and second one is micronutrient. Macro means in large amount and micro means in small quantity. So macronutrient and micronutrient. Macronutrients are those nutrients which are required in large amount by our body because they are the main bulk of food. Like carbohydrate, fats and proteins, our body need a large amount of that nutrients for the proper functioning or for the energy intake. So we need carbohydrate, that is 60 to 80%, fats 10 to 30%, protein 70 to 15%. Micronutrients are those nutrients which are required in small quantity, that is vitamins and minerals. The quantity of the nutrients required depends upon the age, weight, physical activity and the health status of the body of the human beings. So these are the two type of nutrients which are necessity of any living being. Diet means the food we consume that contains all type of nutrients and which helps to maintain our body growth and development. There are two type of diets, that is balanced diet and the unbalanced diet. Balanced diet is that food or that diet which contains all the nutrients in the right proportion. The food which contain all the nutrients in right proportion is called balanced diet. These nutrients in adequate amount is useful for the maintaining our health and for the proper growth and development of our body. Unbalanced diet is a food which does not have all the nutrients in right proportion. Sometimes some nutrient is present in the very large amount and sometimes some nutrient is present in very small amount, but balanced diet has present all the nutrients in a right proportion. So for the maintenance or for the growth and development of the body, all the living beings has accepted the balanced diet. So students, please keep reading at home. Stay safe, stay happy, stay at home.